Hey guys, what's up? I want to teach you how to build a boat. And this is what we've built. So, we've had some string.
That's this side.
We put it together on a floaty thing. So, and this is my sister's.
Hello guys, that's my eye.
Okay, whatever. Okay.
Keep your hands on my phone.
So, the materials you are going to need to build these, it doesn't matter which color. You're going to need 4 popsicle sticks.
4.
If you want to make this.
Ta-da.
You may need 2 to build this.
Ta-da.
You would need a floaty,
Ta-da.
and you can mark them with a marker and cut, and they're very cuttable, so you can cut them as long as you want. And stop doing that. Just stop doing that. So, you're going to need some hot glue to put it all together. And yeah, you're going to need 4 of these. Stop doing that. Okay. And then you're going to need to hot glue the tubes together. And yeah, so and you're going to need some string to give them to you so you won't so you won't lose it. Now sooner or later we will teach you how to make a crayfish trap, but right now we're doing boats. And if you follow our instructions correctly, it doesn't matter which color. You are going to need to cut this to a size that you want. 4 to make mines.
2 to make nannies.
And you're going to need popsicle sticks. And to float the device, you're going to need a floaty.
Float it. I got a rain on my baby.
And you're going to need a circle of this. Just cut a little thin circle. And then be quiet. So, you're going to stick the popsicles in here. You don't need any hot glue. And you're going to need something to keep it in. And you should get mine. Yeah, you need hot glue to make this.
You should make mine too, for little cans.
Yes. If you don't want this much work to do, it's fine. You can build hers. It's way easier. And if you follow our instructions, like I said correctly, you will get these. Sooner or later, we will make a crayfish trap if this thing gets 100,000 likes. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that like button and hit the bell button. I want you to smash that bell button. Smash it. All right.
See you later. Bye-bye.
Peace.